welcome back to my channel. This is me from Cloudkraftz. Hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to show you how to make luqaimat. It's a traditional Arabic dish. So let's start.
Take a bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and salt as per taste. Add a pinch of cardamom powder, then add water little by little to get a thick consistency and mix it well. Now the batter is ready. Cover it with a cling and keep it aside for 2 hours. Now let's fry the luqaimat. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and tap the bell icon for more notifications. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The link will be in the description box. Until it becomes golden brown and crispy. Spread some date syrup on top of the luqaimat and some sesame seed. It's a traditional Arabic dish. Please do try it at your home. I am sure you will love it. Now our yummy luqaimat is ready. See, it's so perfect.
Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. This is me from Kraftz signing on. See you guys in the next video. Until then,